Welcome. If you're tired of those miscellaneous Snapchat notifications popping up on your screen and disrupting your day, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the updated way to disable the Show as pop-up feature for miscellaneous notifications on Snapchat. This quick change will help you control how and when you get notified, so your phone feels a little less noisy and a lot more manageable. First, start by heading to your phone's settings. This is usually the gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps and tap on it. This will bring up a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Next, look for Snapchat in this list, then tap on it to open the app-specific settings. Here, you'll see a lot of options related to the app's permissions, storage, and notifications. Select Notifications to take a closer look at how Snapchat delivers alerts to you. Inside the Notifications menu, there will be a link or option called Notification Categories. Tap on that to see all the different types of notifications Snapchat sends. These are often grouped into categories like Messages, Friend Requests, and Miscellaneous Updates. Find the category labeled Miscellaneous and tap on it. This is where Snapchat groups those other kinds of notifications that don't fit neatly into the main categories. In the details for miscellaneous notifications, you'll see a toggle switch for Show as pop-up. Simply toggle this option off. By doing this, you're telling Snapchat not to interrupt you with pop-up notifications for miscellaneous alerts anymore. They'll still show up quietly in your notification shade or lock screen according to your other settings, but they won't take over your screen or steal your attention. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the pop-up for miscellaneous Snapchat notifications, giving you a cleaner and less intrusive notification experience. If you ever want those pop-ups back, just follow the same steps and toggle Show as pop-up back on. Thanks for watching.